Hi, welcome to DIY Art Printmaking Edition. I'm Siu Ting from STPI. We are a non-profit organization promoting contemporary art in print and paper. In this session, we will be doing screen printing. Screen printing is a printing technique where a mesh is used to transfer ink except in areas blocked by a stencil. Shall we get started? Let's go! Over here are some of the materials that we will need. So we'll be using some of the stationery, your penknife, pencil, pen, markers and scissors. You'll be using organza fabric for you to stretch over your embroidery hoop. This is your embroidery hoop. Transparency for you to cut your stencil. Masking tape. Your tote bag and A4 paper for you to sketch your basic shapes for your stencil. Acrylic printing medium, your acrylic paint. A container and spoon to mix your paint, squeegee, and last but not least, at the printing session, you will need an extra pair of hands for you to print. Let's start with stretching your screen printing frame. So remove the inner frame, place your organza inside the frame. As you place it inside, tighten the fabric. Use strips of paper around 200 GSM to start at the side. If you find it a bit too tight, you can loosen it before you tighten. So once all the papers are inside, you can start to tighten the top notch. Now you have something like this. Can you see that it's very taut? You can set your screen print frame aside. We are going to do stencil cutting. So for stencil cutting, you can sketch some of the basic shapes on a piece of paper. After that, use a transparency and place it on the shape that you think that you like the best. For me, I've chosen the star. So after tracing, it will look something like this. Use a penknife. For children under 12, please do this under parental guidance. You can rotate your transparency as you cut out the shape. You have something like this. Bring back your embroidery hoop. Place the stencil on top of your screen print. Get a masking tape and secure your stencil on top of your embroidery hoop. Make sure you cover all the exposed area so that the ink does not get through the frame when you print. Then you have something like this. So once this is ready, you set it aside. We are going to mix the paint for you to screen print on your tote bag. So over here, I have the acrylic paint and I have the acrylic printing medium. So you mix these two together on 1:1 ratio, you get the paint like this. Set it aside. So to prevent the ink to go through the other side of the tote bag, use a few pieces of A4 paper and slot it inside. And now you will need an extra pair of hands for you to secure the screen printing frame. Make sure the person is holding down the frame firmly. Apply the paint on top of the exposed stencil. Use your squeegee. Place it on top of the paint that you have applied. At 45-degree angle, press down the ink swift and fast. Now, lift up slowly. Ta-da! This is your screen printed tote bag. You can also start to print more motifs on your tote bag and the final product will look like this. We have come to the end of the session. I hope you have learned more about screen printing. Thank you for watching. Bye!